Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new cPanel in your WHM. Let's get started. Now, if you just purchased a brand new VPS, dedicated server, or reseller, the first thing you'll need to do is create a brand new account inside of your WHM. We can go here into the Create a New Account section, or we can come up here to the top and type in Create, click on the Create a New Account function. The first thing you'll need to do is give it a domain name. So I'm going to use Josh Makes Tutorials for my primary domain. The username is going to be automatically populated if you click anywhere outside of here. You can change this if you want to. There are some character limitations. I'm going to go ahead and do Josh M. For the password, what we'll want to do is either type in a password that's secure that you know by heart, or click the password generator function. I like this one. It always provides me something fairly secure. I copy that into a safe place, and then click Use Password. The next thing that you'll need to do is choose an admin email. This is going to be one that you can use to reset the password, get primary notifications for anything that happens with the cPanel. So it's really important to have something that you can access. The next thing that you'll need to do is choose the package that you want for this particular cPanel. Now, if you don't have any packages created, that's okay. You can use the default option, which is totally fine. And if you want to, you can also select all these options manually. So disk space, the amount of emails, FTP accounts, all these things you can set manually. If you don't want to, just go ahead and click default, and it'll set it right to the normal. Next thing that I'll choose is the Paper Lantern cPanel theme. There's only one option here, and that's fine. Paper Lantern is the default, it's good to go. Next thing you'll do is choose your location. So wherever you are in the world is completely fine. It'll also have these automatically enabled here, which is Spam Assassin and Spam Box. I like to have those on my cPanel. They are very, very handy, so we'll go ahead and leave those selected as well. The mail routing section is the next thing we'll come to, and if you want to receive email here on this cPanel and you're not using a different service like G Suite or Office 365, go ahead and leave Local Mail Exchanger selected. The reseller settings will actually give this an option to make this particular cPanel a reseller, which means it'll have its own WHM and it can create all the cPanel accounts that you want. For this one, I just want to have a standalone cPanel, and so we'll leave that one unselected. The last setting is for DNS settings for DKIM and SPF. Those are mail authentication records and they will be set automatically. You can go ahead and leave those selected for now. You'll see your name servers here at the bottom, which are set up for either your reseller server or the private name servers that you have set up for your VPS or dedicated. Once you have those, click Create. And WHM will go through the process of creating this brand new account. Down here in the middle, you'll see New Account Info. If you want to send this information to your developer or perhaps your client or friend, go ahead and copy that into a text box. Scroll all the way down, we can see all the processes that WHM is going through. Now stick around because I want to show you the next most important thing that you can do, and that is to log into the cPanel once you've created it. You'll have an option to click here to go to the cPanel, but I want to show you a cool function that will help you access all of your cPanels really quickly. Let's go up to the top left here and click or type in List, and then click on the List Accounts section. This is going to list off all the cPanels that you have inside of your WHM. It makes it really easy to see all the information that you need, such as the username, email, what quotas are set. But the coolest thing is you can actually click any one of these cPanel icons to go directly into that cPanel. So I just made joshmakestutorials.com. I'm going to click that one. And voila, I'm officially inside of that cPanel that I just created. Pretty cool, right? Now all you have to do is just exit out of this and you can log into really any of the cPanels that you want to. Makes it really quick to navigate in and out, manage all the cPanels that you have on your server. And that's it. You just created a brand new cPanel. I hope this was helpful. Please give us a comment or a question if you have them down below. And subscribe if you want to see any more helpful videos. Thanks, y'all.